Good morning, friends. Today I'll talk about the Bitcoin. Last few days the Bitcoin are crashed, and now it can trade 94 or 9375 level. I'll give the name the Bitcoin bubble burst. That that last 1 week it can slip as a stone, as a stone it can slip. So still I have thought that Bitcoin is uptrend. I will calculate the Fibonacci calculator for uptrend for Bitcoin. I will not thought that it can in downtrend, but retracement is compulsory, and that's the law of nature also. If something is going up and it can retrace, and profit booking is coming, it's very normal thing in trading or cryptocurrency or stock commodities. All things it can show all things. So today I'll give the Bitcoin bubble burst. That it can going down. It means it's like a bubble and it can burst. So I'll give you the main things why it can go down and what's the level it can recover. So we will talk about the 52-week low and high Bitcoin. The high was 13764 and low was 3216. Okay, 2019 it can touch 14,000 level, 13764 it means 14,000 level, and very short term it can touch at that level. So I'll take the calculator for Fibonacci calculator for uptrend. I still believe in that Bitcoin is uptrend, but retracement will be happen is normal thing. If we talk about 23.6 retrace, it can go to 11274, but here we can see 38.2% retracement is over. Now the nature, the Fibonacci is the mathematics, and they say the any commodity or Bitcoin or any stock will be retrace up to 50% level. When it make high na, it can retrace up to 50% level. That was 8490. So maybe Bitcoin retrace up to 50%, 8490. That's the major support also. Before taking the rally, it can stable up to 15 days in 8490 level, and then it can show the rally. If here we can not say that the 8490 the thing it can stop or it can maybe go down, but the basic principle says the 50% retracement level is okay. It's uptrend level, but sometimes we can see the 61.8 level, that is 7245 level. That's enough. Bitcoin is not go below than 7245 per USD dollar, below than 7245 USD dollar. That was 61.8% retracement level. Okay, the major support is 8490 and second major support is 7245. That's enough. Resistance is 9455, 9435, 9422, and support is 9381. It can break easily. Evening session 9369 and 9348. The support is not a matter, but main thing is 50% retracement. We can say that if it can take 50% retracement, then it can be stable, and maybe buying is coming, because very short term it can jump up to 14,000 level, up to 8 to 15,000 level. It can jump up to 10 days. So that's correction is coming normal, not it's show to the panic. It's buying opportunity for Bitcoin. Second thing is Bitcoin is still in uptrend, but all technical chart, if we see na, that the regular interval fall show the all moving averages, Scottish RSI are all negative for technical view. But as per Fibonacci, so today is the main reason why I take Fibonacci uptrend or downtrend extension retracement chart. I can understand the how much it can retrace. So that I calculate the Fibonacci uptrend chart, and I analysis that 7240 and 490 8490 is the enough for downfall. That's the enough, and that's the support area, strong support areas 8490 for Bitcoin. RSI stock is RSI 14 days, it's oversold territories last few days, that indicates the retracement will be happen. We cannot see the Bitcoin in 2000 in 50,000 without retracement. Retracement is happened. It's not a panic selling, it's profit booking. It's some exchanges are profit booking their benefits, and some big gamblers are profit booking. If go the lower level, they can again buy. So then the trend say that the always uh, stock or commodity or cryptocurrencies make a new high. Previous high is the last thing, and it may this time it may cross 20,000 also. Okay, see you, bye. Take positive and subscribe my channel, share also. Thank you.